Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What I've seen is that only 12% of you who watch my videos have subscribed to my channel. So please hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications and smash that like button. Also, share this video with all your friends and family. Let's see what we're going to do in this video. If a traffic light is what you're thinking, you're right. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the main structure of the traffic light system we are going to build. Materials required: a Raspberry Pi, red, yellow and green LED bulbs, a breadboard, 3 resistors and 4 male to female wires. So first what we are going to do is we are going to put in the red LED. So let the longer pin go in here and the shorter pin into this. So the red LED is fixed. Then we are going to do the same for the other two LEDs in here and in here. We have to make sure that the two pins of the LED are in the same line so we can connect the resistors in the holes of the same line. Next we are going to connect the resistors. Take a resistor, put one of the pins in line with the red LED and do the same thing with the other pin but in this part of the breadboard. Now the resistor is fixed. Let's do the same thing with the other two resistors. This is how it looks like when all resistors are connected. Now we're going to connect the male to female wires. Take one of the male to female wires and push this inside this hole. This hole is in line with the LED and the resistor. We'll do the same thing with the other two. This is how it looks like when all 3 male to female wires are connected with the 3 LEDs. Now we are going to connect the male to female wire which is going to be connected to the ground GPIO pin. Let's do this. This we are going to connect in this row, as all the holes in the same row of a breadboard are connected in this area. So we are going to connect this male to female wire over here. This one is going to be connected to the ground GPIO pin. So now let's connect all these male to female wires to the GPIO pins. Now let's take this male to female wire and we'll connect it to the ground GPIO pin, which is the 5th pin on the left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll connect it over here. Then we'll take the one which is connected to the green LED. We'll connect it to pin number 17, which is right next to the ground pin. Then let's take the one connected to the yellow LED, put it in pin number 18. Then let's take the male to female wire which is connected to the red LED and put it into the 16th number GPIO pin. So this is how it will look when all GPIO pins are connected to the male to female wires. So now for the code. So we are going to import the library GPIO0 and from that library we are going to use LED. So from GPIO0 import LED. So this library GPIO0 has the LED folder and through that we are going to directly access the pins, the GPIO pins. Next we're going to import time so we can add an interval between the turning on and off of LEDs. So import time. Then we're going to do RED. So we're going to make variables. So RED is equal to the LED and the number of the pin. The number of the pin is 16 over here. And then we're going to do yellow is equal to LED. Yellow is connected to pin number 18. So 18. And for green is equal to LED 17 as it is connected to the GPIO 17 pin. Next what we're going to do is we're going to turn the LEDs on and off as we want. So we're going to do red.on. That's all. We don't need to do GPIO.output and then gpio.high. Instead of that, we can just do red.on. Then we're going to add an interval, so time.sleep, and then we're going to put let's say 5 seconds as the red light stays longer. 5 seconds. Then we're going to do red.off, so the red light turns off. Then now after the red one turns off, we have to turn on the yellow, so we'll do yellow.on. Then we're going to keep yellow for a shorter time, let's say 3 seconds. So time.sleep 2. Let me pull this down. Then we can do yellow.off, as we want to turn the yellow LED off. Next, after the yellow LED turns off, we need the green one to turn on. So we're going to do green.on. Then we're going to do time.sleep. And we're going to do, we can keep this for 5 seconds. As the green light, it's also longer. And we're going to do green.off. I ran the code and this is what I saw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you saw, all the LEDs turned on and off. Let me run it and show it to you again. Red is on. Yellow is on, just like a traffic light. And next green turns on, so all the cars and vehicles can move. This is a customizable project. You can add many new things like buzzers, you can use ultrasonic sensors, you can use motion sensors, you can use multicolored LEDs. So all these new things I'm going to show to you in the next video. So hit the bell icon for notifications if my channel posts any new videos. Thanks for watching, guys.